Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today we're gonna make a super simple facial cream cleanser. So you're gonna need only few ingredients. This is only butters and oil based recipe, so you don't need any preservative as there will be no water in it. So I have in here already weighed out 20 grams of mango butter, which is, I love mango butter. It smells like it gives this sweetness, you know, to the butter. It smells lovely. I love it. Then I have in here as well weighed out a seaweed oil, 17.5 grams of seaweed oil. It's light yellow color. It has a little bit of a smell, but it's not strong smell, and it's super moisturizes skin. It calms the skin as well. It absorbs very fast onto your skin, so it's very good for like combination or acne prone skin too. And I have in here grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil, it's very good oil. It's a high in vitamin E as well. It has no smell and it's super light in yellow color. And yeah, we're gonna add some grapeseed oil, 11.5 grams. So at the first I just need to melt this butter in my double boiler, and I'm just gonna melt this, and then I'm just gonna add my one oil. A little bit later I will add a grapeseed oil, because grapeseed oil is kind of heat sensitive, so I will wait till it will kind of cool off, the butter and the seaweed oil, till it will cool off. And then of course I'm gonna add the vitamin E oil and rosemary essential oil, which is one of my favorite essential oils. It has so many beneficial properties. It's very good for as well for acne prone skin, for combination skin, oily skin. So this cleanser, it suits any of the skin types, and as well it's very good for the oily, combination and acne prone skin. So yeah, let's melt this oil now. So my mango butter has melted here. Okay, as you see. So what I will do now, just gonna mix it slowly and let it cool off a bit. And I'm gonna add now seaweed butter oil, essential oil, butter oil, seaweed oil, and we'll let it cool off before I'm gonna add grapeseed oil and sensitive ingredients like vitamin E and rosemary essential oil. Okay. When I added seaweed oil, it straight away cooled down now. So I definitely can add the grapeseed oil. And vitamin E and rosemary essential oil. These heat sensitive ingredients you should add and should know to add with the temperature degrees less than 40 degrees Celsius. I can feel it now straight away that it's definitely less than 40 degrees Celsius, so I'm not gonna even take my thermometer out. And now putting on scales, stirring out the scales and adding 0.5 grams, which is 1% of the formula, vitamin E. Okay. Now just mixing vitamin E. So it's this, like as you see, it's not clear because the butter is in. It's like light yellow color. And now I will add 1%, which is 0.5 grams of rosemary essential oil. Okay. And just mixing all together. You can barely feel the heat now because it's almost cold. And just mixing everything and put it aside to leave it on for a while till it will get a little trace, you know, till it will harden a little bit. It's not gonna harden a lot because mango butter is pretty soft butter, and I used only 40% of the formula because I was looking for kind of a bit runny consistency of this creamy cleanser. So if you're looking for a harder creamy cleanser, add more higher percentages of the butter, or you can work with cacao butter, which is super hard butter, because I will be putting this cream cleanser into this semi-silicone like a little container, not a jar. So I wanted that I will be able to open it and it will be pretty runny to use it. So I'm just gonna leave it aside now. Yeah, I can see the trace. I'm just gonna leave it aside now for a while, just to completely to cool it off. Then I'm just gonna stir for a little while and transfer it into my container. Well, so it has completely cooled off, and I'm just gonna transfer it into my container. And yeah, I like to use it in evenings to wash my face with it, and after that it feels it leaves a little bit my face like a bit of like kind of oily, not too much oily, and moistured, so it's very good for the night. And yes, it's here. Yes, so guys, do substitute any of essential oils or any oils or even butters, you know. Let me know what you think about it, and see you next week. Bye.